I am not happy. I'm not happy with the flow of the trailer. I need to create more space out of the same space, if you know what I mean. Back to square one? Not necessarily. Minor tweaks and additions to come to make the flow better. Go with the flow. What is it with this obsession to build and work on things? Do people think I'm crazy? I could have just bought something nice. But where's the fun in that? Ow! Yeah, that one still hurts. What would I do with all the extra time not building something? Probably up to no good, I bet. It's better I'm preoccupied. I have fun doing this stuff. It makes for more appreciation and more things to talk about when we actually get out to go camping. Oh my gosh, we made it. I'm here. Check it out, guys. Huge sale every day. Harbor Freight Tools. It's 8 o'clock. They just opened. And I'm gonna get everything I need and a lot of stuff that I don't need. Vámonos. Oh yeah, oh yeah. I'm afraid. It's my birthday. Not really. I'm gonna buy stuff like it's my birthday. Let's do it. Clips for the bunk bed. I'll be installing the rails. That's what I came for. Yeah, I took that shot. There's the rails. Didn't really need those, or those, or those. Home Depot draws me in like a magnet. These are the nuts. And these are the bolts. I actually did need the long bolts. A decent portion of the time is spent looking at the project, considering the next move. Here I'm considering the bed height for the bunk bed. This clip illustrates the perks of working alone. Did I say perks? I meant struggle. Peekaboo. Wrench in one hand, drill in the other. Now that I got these bolted up and put on, I promised my son we'd work on a project together. Yeah, the Home Depot, they gave it to me.
That's so cool.
Look at this. Yeah. 2 blades. Can you find the blades, the 2 blades on both sides?
Okay.
Okay, give me that one. And find another one like this.
Okay.
Yeah. And of course, we had to play a couple of rounds, right? Back to work. Just gotta trim these bolts down. I'm pretty much done for the day. The next video will be about the slide out bed idea that I got. But I'm just waiting for them to come in the mail. For now, I'll pull the wood out that I need and wait for them to arrive. It's hot out. So what better way to spend time with your son than with some good old water balloons? See you guys on the next update. Thanks for watching.